Welcome to Activities app. My name is Emily, and today I'll be showing you how to browse a listing and navigate the search section of the app. When you open the app, your landing page will show you the activity highlights, including best in categories and nearby activities. Each activity will show you category, cost, location, and dates. Specify your search by hitting a category bubble. Select an activity to learn more and book. If you want to save an activity for later, add it to your favorites by selecting the heart icon. If you would like to share an activity with a friend, hit the share icon. When an activity is almost fully booked, it will have a filling fast green banner. There is also a light green banner delineating virtual activities. To specify your activity search even further, go to the Search tab. Here you can search keywords and specific titles. Add a category filter to narrow your results and find the perfect fit for you.